In this video, we are going to show you how to analyze competitors using Poppy AI. Now, two things. You need to create a group over here. So this is how you create a group. You click on this folder icon on the very bottom of your left-hand menu, and you paste. For example, you can do this for your YouTube channel. You can do this for your website if you have an online business, right? So if you're going to do a website, paste all your competitors' website, the top 3 to top 5, to this group like here. So, but for this example, we're just going to do YouTube. So if I am running or I'm starting a YouTube channel about, say, woodworking, right? These are some of the top woodworking video channels with quite a bit of videos online on YouTube. So I'm going to put everything here. So these are 3 competitors. They have these are millions of subscribers or near millions, right? And then I'm going to connect the Poppy AI chat bot over here. As you can see, it is connected over here. There we go. And then I'm going to feed it something along the lines of this prompt. So over here it says, analyze all the media inside the competitor intel group or competitors group, right? There we go. Competitors group. I want a deep dive competitive analysis focused on content strategy. Answer the following questions based on strictly on the source lineage of these assets. So I'm going to ask about the hooks, the structure of the videos, the value proposition of each video, content gaps, reverse script or outline, and more. You can pause and just write these down, or you can just use any LLM, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, whatever, to create these types of prompts. Just make sure that it is streamlined for Poppy AI. And after this, all you need to do is press enter. And it's going to start thinking, right? After that, you'll be good to go, and you'll have a better idea on how to proceed on matching your competition using Poppy AI. And if you are interested in trying out Poppy.ai, you can get a $25 off discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.